Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen. Hi, I'm Dave. Today I'm going to be making for you fried chili crisp wings. We're going to double fry them so they're extra crispy and delicious. You're going to love them. You can get all the ingredients at your local store or your Asian market. So as always, trust the process, believe in yourself. You ready? Let's go. For every 3 pounds of wings, you will need 1 jar of Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp. You can get this at any Asian market and large grocery stores. 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of your favorite mustard, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small thumb of ginger, and cornstarch. Begin by preparing your ginger. Cut off the small nubs and scrape the skin off with a spoon. Then cut into slices, then into strips, and then fine dice. Press down hard on top of the garlic bulb, separate the cloves, and remove all of the skins. Mash each clove with the side of the knife, and then fine chop. With all of your chicken in a large bowl, add your diced ginger, garlic, a large pinch of salt, and a large pinch of pepper. Stir everything together well and put in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Fill your fryer or heavy pot with your favorite cooking oil. I prefer peanut oil when I make wings. Heat your oil to 325 degrees. You'll only want to cook 10 wings at a time depending on the size of your fryer or pot. You don't want to overload your fryer as this will cause the wings to stick together and not cook properly. Coat each wing completely in cornstarch and place them in the oil. Cook the wings for no more than 5 minutes. In the meantime, get your next batch of 10 wings coated and ready to go. After 5 minutes, pull the wings out of the oil and drain on a paper towel. Let the oil heat back up to 325 degrees. Repeat the coating and frying process until all of your wings have been cooked the first time through. After your last batch is done, increase the temperature of your oil to 350 degrees. Once your oil has reached 350, carefully add your wings to the oil until you have filled your pan or fryer. Don't worry about overfilling your pot, just stuff those things in there. Let the wings cook for 6 more minutes. They should be at least 165 degrees internally. Drain them for a little bit and add them to a large bowl for tossing. Put a small pot on medium-low heat. For every 3 pounds of wings, add 1 jar of Lao Gan Ma, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite mustard. Add 1/4 cup of water to each jar of chili crisp and shake, getting all of the oil out. Add that to your sauce and stir until completely combined and just warm. Spoon in the chili oil over your hot wings and toss to combine. Use a spoon if necessary to pull up the sauce from the bottom of the bowl. All right, so our spicy chili crisp wings are done. They're turned out amazing like they always do. Let's give this a try, shall we? Oh, I hope you could hear that. That cornstarch does such a good job over flour of making the skin crispy and blister. I would put those wings against any wings I've ever had anywhere. It's not even a brag or a flex. Those are just ridiculous. That Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp, find it. Spicy chili crisp. There will be no better wing that you'll ever have. Try to make it, put it in the comments. If you need help, I'll help you through it. Again, double fry. That's also the secret to the crispiness. Trust the process, believe in yourself. Best wings you will ever have, hands down. See you next time.